Hello everyone, welcome to part 18 of the jQuery series, and we are going to work on traversing once again. And in last video we have seen that we have worked on ancestors. If you remember that we have worked on ancestors, and this time we are going to work on descendants. Okay, so both are the categories of traversing. Ancestors, I have told you, ancestors is the parent category. If we are going to take the parent, grandparent of the elements, then we will call them as ancestors. Okay, so moving up the DOM tree is called the ancestors. And now descendants means moving down the DOM tree. Here you can see, like if we will take the example of Li is the child of ul, okay, and Li is the grandchild of div. So both div and ul are the descendants of Li. Okay, so Li, see, both these div and ul are we are moving down to the DOM tree. Okay, this is the DOM tree, document object model. Like in we can also say like the HTML document. Okay, so we are moving down here. Okay, so this moving down is called the descendants. Every HTML element that comes along the way is the process of the descendants, and it's the part of the traversing. Okay, there are two methods that belong to descendants. One is the children and one is the find method. So both we are going to learn now. And first of all we will see the children method. And children method here, see, returns all direct children of the selected element. Okay, so children method return all direct children of the selected element. This method only traverses a single level down the DOM tree. Okay, so we can able to find the child of any HTML element with the help of children method. Okay, whatever HTML element exists under the selected HTML element, that we can able to find. Okay, so I'm going to explain you with the help of example. So let's start. I'm going to save it with jQuery 18. jQuery 18. Okay, so jQuery 18. Now we are going to try for the example. First I'm going to make it jQuery 18 as well. Okay, so here we are going to add same kind of view here. Div, here I can remove this one, ul. Okay, here I will also do display child of ul, and here I will do direct child of ul, sorry, and here we can remove the bold tag here. Now it's not required. So in span we can write like grandchild of ul. Okay, so now we will give here option, but on button click we want to select display the child of ul. So we'll do like this, ul. After that we will use the method children method like this. Then we can make its color red. Okay, and rest is fine. Okay, span we are making it black as well. Okay, this dot we can remove. Now we can try jQuery 18 PHP. Okay, so display child of ul. See, I'm going to select the child of ul. I have clicked on this button, display child of ul, and you can see that li direct child of ul is going to select in red. Okay, so see, we are highlighting the direct child of ul. with the help of children method. Okay, so you can apply this kind of method. You can able to find the child of any of the HTML element. Okay, if child exists, then it is going to return you that HTML element, and that is the child of the another HTML element. Okay, so this one I think clear to you, that you can find the direct child of any of the HTML element with the help of children method. And for finding one of the, like if there are the group of HTML elements located under the specific HTML element, and you want to find one of the child HTML element with some specific option, okay, then we will use the find method. But first of all, we are going to use the jQuery children method with the help of with option as well. Okay, like if we have two allies, and we want to find some particular ally with some particular class, then we can pass the option. Okay, so this one I'm going to show you jQuery children method example with option. See, first of all, jQuery children method with option. You can also use an optional parameter to filter the search for children. Okay, so here I am going to show you an example in which this thing is more clear. So I will name it like jQuery 18b dot php, jQuery 18b dot php, like this. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to pass some option. Okay, but first of all, I will make it twice, like this one I'm going to repeat, and here I will like do like li2 uh, second direct child of ul, and here display child of ul with class test. We will make it class test, and here I am going to do class test. Okay, now see here I am going to make it 18b. Okay, now see there are two li here under ul. You can see li. I can also do like this, li1, like this. Okay, one is the first direct child of ul, and second one is the second direct child of ul. So there are two li1 and li2, but we want to highlight the li2 only. We don't want to highlight the li1. See, both are the child of ul, but we want to select the specific child, and there is the class we are having in the case of li2. So this with the help of this test class, this one we can inside this children we can send the option that which one you are going to select. Okay, so inside this one we can pass, like we want to first select from the li, so we will do li, and after that we want to select from class test, so dot test. Okay, so see this option inside the children method will help you to identify that particular li. Okay, so here you will refresh and will display child of ul. You can see the second li got selected because we have passed the option. Okay, so here you can see we are passing the option along with the children method. We are passing this option. Okay, so you can do this one. You can pass the option in children method whenever you require that. Okay, so that will help you in your jQuery code. So the next one is the find method. Like I have told you, like we have the group of HTML elements, and we want to find some particular child. Okay, then we will use the find method. uh, Okay, so here you can see like jQuery find method finds the required element from the number of descendant elements moving down to the DOM tree. Okay, so there are group of elements. We want to find the one. So those elements are the child elements. Okay, we are not talking about the parent element. Here we are just talking about the child element. Okay, so here I am going to do that find example. File save as jQuery 18c. We will save this file with jQuery 18c. Okay, so this time we are going to try with the find, and here I will do find span element. Okay, I'm going to do like this: find span element under ul element. Okay, so we want to find the span element under ul element. See here, we want to find the span element, both will get selected. Okay, both we want to select this time. So what we are going to do here, and okay, so here we are going to make change instead of children. Now we are going to use the find. Okay, and here we are going to find span. Okay, not li test. So here we are going to find span. Okay, and that is fine, and this one we can remove now. Just need to find the span, and let's see, and now it will select the both. It's jQuery 18c, so we can open that another file. See like this, and see if I will find span element under ul element. So if I will click on this one, both li1 and li2 must get selected. Let's see here, sorry, both span must get selected, because we are finding the span under both under ul. Okay, so these both span will get selected here. Okay, so we can find any child element with the help of find. Okay, and that is going down to the html element. Okay, we are talking about going down. Okay, that is the descendant. So this one is clear, I hope. So the another one is there is the find method with star option as well. Okay, so that means select all descendants. If you want to select all child together, then we will use the star. Okay, so how we can use, see file, save as. I'm going to save this file with jQuery 18d, and this is very much simple enough. And I want to find this time node span. I want to find the all the things together star. I can make it star here, and then just check it out, and I'm going to open the jQuery 18d, and let's see. I will click on this one, and see all get selected under ul. All the elements, it will select all the elements under ul. Okay, so under ul is the parent element, and under that ul all the child elements will get selected if you will do find star. Okay, we are not specifying any particular html element, just we are passing the star. Okay, then it is going to select all. Okay, under that particular ul element. So I think that are clear to you, and now you can try at your end, and if you have any problem, any confusion, then you can surely ask me. Okay, so in next video we will come up with some other jQuery documentation, jQuery tutorial. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.